Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System for the 2022 and beyond Hyundai Tucson with factory installed flush side rails. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo Flush Rail Foot Pack, set of 4, and the WingBar Evo Load Bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit, which includes a set of 4 of these contoured rubber bases and 4 sets of these rubberized metal side rail brackets and 4 of these barrel fasteners. The brackets and base pads have numbers that are assigned to them, which are noted in the instruction sheet to help with the installation. And I'll demonstrate the installation on one of the feet. First, we'll take off the outer cover. Within the foot, you see there's a threaded post. When you're installing the components of the fitting kit, they have not only the numbers, but they also have letters which will help in the correct order of installation, starting with the letter A, which is the inner portion of the bracket. And I'll go ahead and just set that on first. Then we have B, which is the rubber base pad. We'll press that to the underside of the foot. And then C, which is the outer portion of the bracket. And then you have the barrel fastener, which will hold those parts in place. So the next step would be to install the foot onto the load bar. And here we have the Thule WingBar Evo load bar. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. There is a dedicated track along the top, which is accessed by opening the end cap, allowing you to slide in certain hardware directly into the bar to allow you to attach approved carriers directly to the top of the bar for a clean, integrated method of attachment. I'll go ahead and take off this end cap. On the underside of the bar, you have a slot. Within the slot, there is a measuring device. The numbers on the measuring device are not referenced in the instruction sheet. However, you can use those to help you to center the load bars on the roof of the vehicle. So now when we install the foot, we just slide that into the slot. At this step, we'd want to reinstall the end cap as a safety measure. When you're maneuvering the bars with the loose feet around the vehicle, that'll help prevent the foot from slipping off the end of the bar. The next step is to tighten the brackets to the side rail of the vehicle. And Thule's provided a tool that's included with the foot pack in order to tighten that barrel fastener. When you're tightening the fastener, it will not only tighten the brackets to the side rail, but also it tightens the foot to the load bar. And this tool, the handle, has a unique feature which will click once it's reached the maximum tightness. Generally, you tighten about 50% on one side, do the same on the other side, and tighten each side equally until you've reached the maximum tightness and the tool will click. So that means you've reached the tightness. Okay, and then you'll notice on the underside of the bar you have some exposed track there. We want to fill that in with rubber that's provided with the load bars. That would be just cut with the scissors to measure, and you press that in. That'll help maintain good aerodynamic performance on the underside of the bar. Now we can go ahead and return the outer cover back into place just with a click. And you have a plastic plug here. Just give that a quarter turn and that'll hold that cover in place. However, you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule lock cylinder. Here's an example of one of the cylinders. These are sold in matched sets. A set of 4 will lock up your entire base roof rack system, all 4 of your feet. However, you can purchase these cylinders in larger quantities in order to not only lock up your roof rack, but also other Thule one key system accessories. And that allows you to lock and unlock them conveniently with just one key. Okay, so those are all the main features of the Thule Evo Flush Rail Base Roof Rack System. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments about this system, feel free to leave those in the comments section below. And consider subscribing. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.